And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. Thank you. Those who will watch the replay later, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. Alam mo yung feeling na life is hard, tapos minsan mas mahirap pa kaysa sa ine-expect mo. Yan ang naging team ng araw ko nitong last weekend. So let me share. So pumunta ako sa BGC to meet my business partners. And grabe, ibang klase. I was surrounded by doers and dreamers. Yung mga tao na hindi lang puro pangarap, kundi may action talaga. And not just that, may mga manners, may good conduct, at saka may puso. Nakaka-inspire kasi bihira ka makakakita ngayon ng group na genuinely kind and purpose-driven. I felt so grateful to be there. Pero ayan na nga, the moment I have to commute from Quezon City to BGC, o mga kakwento, nagko-commute ako. Yes, Maring Rocky, alam ko papanoorin mo yung replay. So proud ako sa sarili ko kasi I'm slowly learning how to commute. So I get the experience ng most Filipinos, what they go through every single day. And honestly, hindi pala siya biro. So habang nasa jeep ako, may batang sumakay. Siguro mga 8 or 9 years old. Tahimik siya, pumasok siya dun sa loob ng jeep, tapos may bit-bit siyang maliit na red na angpaw. So nilapitan niya yung mga pasahero, one by one, inabot niya yung angpaw. So nilalagay niya dun sa lap ng mga pasahero. He's clearly hoping na someone will drop a few pesos inside that angpaw. Pero walang nagbigay. Kahit ako, even me, I didn't give any money dun sa ampaw na yon. And ang sakit sa puso kasi hindi dahil madamot tayo or madamot kami, but because we knew na he was risking his life to just to earn money. If I will give him, he will keep doing this. So paulit-ulit, jeep to jeep, kalsada na puno ng peligro. And I can't stop thinking, bakit hinahayaan ng magulang ito? Bakit may mga batang ganito kahirap yung dinadaanan? Bakit may mga batang mas exposed pa sa panganib kesa sa opportunities? So doon ko na-realize, habang tayo nagrereklamo tayo sa traffic, sila naman nakikipagsabayan sa peligro para lang may makain. Ang hirap ng buhay ng maraming Pilipino. Nakakabukas na mata, nakakabagabag ng puso. And you know what? That moment reminded me kung bakit ko ginagawa itong digital business. Yes, I started this business because I wanted time freedom and financial freedom. But now, my why is getting bigger. Because once my business grows even more, I want to give back. I want to help these kids like him. I want to support causes that give children a real chance. Education, safety, at saka hope. Hindi yung hope na galing sa pulang angpaw, kundi yung hope na galing sa opportunities. And maybe someone watching today, ikaw din, you want something better for your life. You want to rise, not just for yourself, but to be able to help others too. So let's be real, mahirap maging mahirap, but staying there is even harder. And minsan, one brave decision can change everything. Just like how I took the leap. Just like how you can do too. So kaya if you are stuck or tired or feeling like there has to be more to life, trust me, meron. And you deserve to find it. So let's keep moving, let's keep learning, and let's keep growing, not just for ourselves, but for the kids who deserve a safer, brighter, and kinder future. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. Okay, good night and God bless us all. Bye bye.